Welcome you all in your English class. The topic we shall study today is past indefinite tense. The Urdu identification of this tense is उर्दू फ़िक्रात के आखिर पर था, थी या थे वगैरह आते हैं, लेकिन बाज़ औक़ात इस टेंस में फ़िक्रात के आखिर पर अलिफ, छोटी ये, बड़ी ये वगैरह ही आते हैं. I solve the sum. That is an example of simple past tense in which I is a subject, solve is a second form of verb, and the sum is an object. Let's talk about the structure of affirmative sentences. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. We can also use subject plus used to plus first form of verb and plus object. Student, used to ऐसे sentences में use होता है जो पास्ट की हैबिट बयान कर रहे हो, जैसे हम गांव में रहा करते थे, हम सुबह सवेरे उठते थे. तो such kind of a sentences we can translate by using used to. For example, he played football or he used to play football. Let's talk about the subject-verb agreement. Either the subject is singular or plural, we only use second form of verb after it. Here are some of the examples of affirmative sentences, यानी कि सादा जुमले. हम गाड़ी में सवार हुए, we boarded the train. उन्होंने हमको तोहफा दिया, they gave us a gift. Okay student, that is all of today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.